Using a strobe to take beautiful pictures against the background with a large window. When taking portraits in the background with a large window, the subject tends to be dark. In this video, in such a case, we show you how to use a strobe to take beautiful natural-looking pictures of the subject. First, take a picture without a strobe. The subject will be a little darker because of the backlight. However, the subject is a little brighter because the walls of the room are white. But with only natural light, the whole image looks muddy. To make the subject brighter, we will reflect the backlight from the window with a white reflector. The reflection looks like this. Using a white reflector in the background with a large window gives it a nice bright look. Next, try applying the strobe directly. This time, we will use the Godox 8200. A hard light hits the subject, and it indeed looks like we are using a strobe and looks unnatural. This time, we bounce the strobe off the wall on the left side to soften the light. The light is brighter overall, but you can't see much of the sharpness of the subject. It looks a bit flat. Next, we are going to bounce the strobe against the high wall in the back left, giving it a semi-backlit effect. The edge light and hair light hit the subject and it looks very good. However, the subject is a little dark. So, we will reflect it again using white reflector board. The natural light from the window and the strobe light are reflected, and the subject becomes brighter. The light hitting the face looks very beautiful with soft gradation lighting from the edge light. Even just a strobe light can make such a difference. Everyone, please give it a try.